Jamushi Travels is back and today we'll share to you our Sheraton Manila experience. So before checking in at Sheraton, we decided to have our lunch here at Hilton Manila for their Dampa Buffet special. So in case you're interested to see what it looks like, so this is what it is. So they're good selection. We especially love the Indian section here and the dessert area. So just in case you are planning to stay at Sheraton, do also check out Hilton and the other restaurants nearby.
So, punta tayong Sheraton. So, dadaan tayo dito sa may Grand Wing kasi. So, dito yung mga matataas yung elite.
Hi! 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 Diyos ko, last room.
Hi! Welcome to Sheraton, Manila. So, for this stay, we used our Newport staycation voucher and booked a double queen. So, ito, first up sa tour natin, yung kanilang bathroom. So, may bidet naman yan sa gilid. Tapos, yung kanilang amenity, same din sa Sheraton, yung Gilchrist and Songs. Yan, tapos may tubig dyan. And then, ito yung ironing board, may sleepers, and bathrobe. Tapos, may safe din. Yan. So, kompleto naman.
Wala pa yung gamit natin.
Tapos, merong ding ref. Walang laman. May coffee naman. Tapos, ayan, may kettle. Although, 3-in-1 lang, no? Tsaka yung Dilma na green. Ayan, tapos yung luggage rack. Ayan, may visitors tayo.
Okay.
Si Papa. Ayan, happy birthday!
Happy
Thank
birthday.
you.
Ayan, so happy 18th birthday.
83, 38.
Okay, 38. And then, in-upgrade tayo ng room natin. So, may balcony.
Katabi natin nga lang yung
Pero okay na rin. Ayan. At least may view tayo kaysa wala. So, eto may sofa rin dyan. So, at least may balcony tayo. Although mas gusto ko yung airport view. Tapos, ayan, double bed, double queen. And ito yung day sofa. And ito yung yan. So far, okay naman if you get the right price. So, I think may promo ngayon yung Marriott na 20% off weekends. So, ayun lang. See you here at Sheraton Newport Resorts. Bye-bye.
90.
Hi! Punta tayo sa pool. Yan, no? May mukha lang. Make it big.
So, ang daming tao ngayon.
Ayan.
Pero parang may mga ganito sila. Cabana style something.
Tapos may barbecue. Ayan.
So, mukhang naka-summer vibes yung nila, yung preparations. It is. So, nakahanap kami ng spot punuan dito sa may pool. Ayan.
May pool na ka ba?
Pwede. Akin yan. Hi, Bibi!
Hello.
So, ito yung tsura ng pool. At night, nandito kami kanina.
Selfie. Hi! Kain na tayo ng breakfast buffet. Let's go!
So, ayan, magpipizza bits and pieces na lang tayo. So, dapat mag-ocular pa ako. Pero may nakita akong chicken pastil. So, sumala tayo sa chicken pastil. Wow, ang saya. Okay, so ito yung Filipino exclusive selection. And then later on, we'll move to the other selections.
Kain tayo ng breakfast here. Thank you. Omelette and sunny side up.
Malimig ko lang po muna isa.
Ay, wala na po.
Complete.
Complete na po. Thank you, Sean.
Okay.
Ayan. So, meron tayong omelette, sunny side up, and then ang paborito kong pusit na danggit. Yan, meron. Tapos, Chinese siomai, and may baget. Tapos may buko ngayon. At may taho. So, complete yung mga checklist mo.
Oo nga. Maganda yung selection ngayon.
Maganda yung selection niya. May ilalagyan din ng bag.
Oh, ang galing. Alright.
Ayun lang. So, enjoy.
Aside from buko, they also have mango and ube, which is worth the shout out.
Wow, thank you, Sheraton. Ganda ng picture.
So that's the end of our Sheraton adventure. Of course, we need to visit the gym to burn off some calories. Anywho, in case you're interested to see what their suite room looks like, do check out our previous video at Sheraton. You can also like and subscribe to see other adventures that we had here in Manila and abroad. So again, thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe.